Babe, wake up! It's 7 o'clock. We have a lot of to do today. It's VLOGMAS!
But first, let's make a coffee.
Come on, it's VLOGMAS! Good morning everyone. Today is 3rd of December. This is the day 3 from the VLOGMAS. Today we don't do any interesting things, but we try to do some content for today. Today is little bit we working at home, we listing from home, we make some photo, we try to scheduling some listing for the next few days, because Monday we go to an auction, which is our favorite auction, and hopefully we can find some bargains. If you new in the channel, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram DJRU77. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and hope guys you enjoy this content. We saw a few things last night and this morning, and I give you an update what we sold today. Hopefully we sell something. Last night we saw the Jonas 641 sewing machine. It's spare and repair without any cables and the pedal, sold for 29.99 pence plus 10 pound postage. Also we saw the Pokemon Meow plush. It's a jumbo one, but it's not in the bad shape. We accepted the best offer of 15 pound plus postage. I think we paid 1 or 2 pound for that one. Also last night we saw the Disney store Winnie the Pooh in Santa outfit for 19 pound and 96 pence. So yeah, hopefully we sell more today, and I will give you an update. So what we do, we make photo from all the side, we make a photo from the labels, if it have any damage or marks on that which we can't clean out. Now you can upload I think 24 photo for all the listing. The tags, it's this one has original tags on that. If it's just a little bit worn, you have to make a photo, so the customer can't complain about the item but they buy it from you. So yeah, it's a little bit boring day, but hopefully we sell a lot of stuff today. So see you guys. So I just testing out the sandwich maker what we bought yesterday. It's definitely go to my collection, but I just want to see how it looks like, so I show you the result. So the sandwich is done. It looks amazing. I love so much Simpson stuff, and yeah, it's going to the collection, but first we have to eat these sandwiches. This is the breakfast and the time is 12 o'clock. So yeah, let's do that. So today we don't do anything like interesting for you, but we still make content. Today is a little bit without anything video. Boring day, yeah. And we listed today a lot of items. We photographed all of them, and I already scheduled like 20 items. We sold a few things. We sold ice skate for £25. We sold an Aldi carrot vegetable bundle for £11.99. Also we sold the Tesco musical trumpet rinder, which we showed to you I think in the first day. It sold for £12.99 free postage. Also we sold a McDonald's glass for £7 plus postage, and one of the return is come back today, so I have to refund it, that one, and I already do that. So we make today £54.75 so far. Hopefully everyone is wake up and start to buying on eBay, and hope guys you have a decent day on eBay. I think also I didn't mention we sold something on Depop as well. We sold one second. We sold a pair of Caterpillar shoes, which I think we have for a year now, or maybe a little bit less. We sold for £33.24 plus plus postage. So yeah, that's a good sale. Yep, I can't say anything more today. We have a lot of to do tomorrow, so I'm sure we make a good content for tomorrow.
A few moments later.
I'm going to close this video, but something happened. I remember, if you follow us on Instagram, we posted this South Park small figure. Like you can see, it's a small South Park soft toy. We paid £1 for this one last Friday, and we have 3 vouchers on that. I listed for £79.99, but we have a decent offer for £65, and it's just sold and already paid. So this one is going to local, so I can deliver personally this one on Monday or maybe after that. But yeah, sold for £65. Very happy about that, and this plush sale is just make my day. So yeah, see you guys. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, DJRU77. Take care guys, have a good evening, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.